Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have this Xbox One S. So this one does not display an image. It does work but no image on the LCD on the display. So let's try it. Okay, let me bring the microscope view. Let's turn on. So it does work. We have here the white light. Let's wait for it a little bit. As you can see, we have no display. It should appear on this channel 3, this one, and nothing. If I wiggle this HDMI, it still does not display. I think it's related to HDMI. Maybe the HDMI is broken from the inside, so we need to see the solder joints. So let me take apart this Xbox and see if we can spot anything and fix it. Okay, let me take it apart. Okay, so we are in. We need to remove the hard drive and the power supply. Okay, let's inspect the HDMI. So I can see someone worked here actually. Someone has worked here. Let's check it under the microscope. So here is the HDMI. And yeah, as you can see, this HDMI has been replaced, I think. They are good actually. So here we have the filters. Let's check those filters in continuity mode. Good. This one is good. They both are good. Here we have the Retimer chip. So the chip, I think, is still original, not replaced. I can see from the solder joints. I don't like this soldering. Okay, so let's put back the power supply and the hard drive and see if it will display anything this time. Okay, let's connect the HDMI. And the power cord. And let's try it. Let's go back to microscope. Okay, we still have here the microscope view, and let's turn on. Okay, we have here a switch and it does work. Let's wait to see if we will get the display. So still no video, no display, no output video. So let's once again take the power supply out and the hard drive and see if we can spot anything. I will take this even the disk drive to see if there is anything obvious we can spot, maybe a liquid damage or something. Okay, everything is looking just fine. I don't know if it is the retimer chip is faulty, this one. I think this IC is faulty, the retimer IC. From what I can see, everything is looking fine, even the port. Let's try and reflow it and see if that will help. Okay, let's start again and see if it will work. Okay, let's start. Let me go to again microscope view. Okay, so I am back with a new retimer IC, as the one in the Xbox did not work even after we reflowed it. So let's replace it with a new one. Okay, let's go under the microscope. So pin number 1 is here, next to this dot. Okay, so the chip is out. Okay, I think it's time to test again. The board is cold, it's not that hot. Let me cool it a little bit. Okay, let's put the power supply back. Okay, so we are ready to test. Okay, let me bring the microscope view and let's turn on. It does not turn on. What has happened? Is the cord connected? Let's do it like that. Okay, let's turn on. It doesn't turn on. What has happened? Let me check again the area where we worked. Everything seems to be okay, I think. Nothing has no resistors, no capacitors, nothing has been taken off from its place. Why it doesn't work? Let me clean it a little bit. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again now. Okay, let's turn on. And yes, this time we have display. This time we have display. Bar 3 or channel 3. And yeah, finally. Yeah, it does work, as you can see. We have display and we have sound. Everything is nice and clear. So yeah, finally this Xbox worked and we have display. If you enjoyed this repair, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Thank you so much.